Zoo, a Lift the Flap book from the zoo by Campbell. I wrote to the zoo to send me a pet. They sent me an very heavy from the zoo. He was too big. I sent him back. Who is it? It's an elephant. He is definitely way too big. So they sent me a, what is it? It says fragile from the zoo. Who was it? He was too tall. I sent him back. It's a giraffe. So they sent me a, it says danger from the zoo. Let's see who it is. It's a lion. He was too fierce. I sent him back. So they sent me a, what is it? With care from the zoo. It's a camel. He was too grumpy. I sent him back. So they sent me a, what is it? From the zoo? It's a snake. He was too scary. I sent him back. So they sent me a, it says from the zoo, what is it? It's a monkey. He was too naughty. I sent him back. So they sent me a, who's inside? It says from the zoo. A frog. He was too jumpy. I sent him back. Dear Zoo is 30 years old and still as popular as ever. And with an updated look, this children's classic is sure to delight a new generation of readers. The end.
Hi, thanks for watching. Don't forget to watch these other videos here and like and comment below on more videos you would like to see. And subscribe for more videos like these. Don't forget to click on the icon. Subscribe. Bye!